ChatGPT is made by OpenAI, and it's the one that started the whole conversation. It launched in 2022 and now has over 100 million users. What it's best at? A bit of everything: writing, summarizing, explaining, coding, brainstorming. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Who it's for? If you're just starting out with AI, or if you need one tool that can handle most things reasonably well, ChatGPT is your starting point. Claude is made by Anthropic, and it's the one I personally reach for when I need to think through something complex. What it's best at? Long documents, nuanced writing, and reasoning. You can pass an entire report into Claude and ask it to summarize, critique, or explain it. It handles context better than almost anything else on this list. Who is for? Researchers, writers, anyone who works with long texts. If you spend your day reading and writing, this is your tool. Before we continue, I don't want you to just memorize these names. Think about what you actually use a computer for every day. Reading, writing, is it researching? Keep that in mind, because the right tool for you is the one that fits your workflow. Gemini is Google's AI, and honestly, it was slow to start, but it's caught up fast. What is best at? Integration. If you use Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Drive, Gemini is already inside those tools. It can pull from your emails, summarize your documents, and help you write directly in Docs. Who it's for? Anyone already deep in the Google ecosystem. If your work life lives in Google, try Gemini before anything else. Copilot is Microsoft's AI, and it's built into Windows and Office 365. What is the best at? Workplace tasks, writing emails in Outlook, summarizing meetings in Teams, drafting documents in Word. Copilot sits inside the tools that millions of people already use at work every day. Who it's for? If you're in a corporate environment running on Microsoft products, Copilot might already be available to you. Check your Microsoft 365 subscription, you might already have it. Perplexity is different from the others. It's less of a chatbot and more of a research engine. What is best at? Finding current accurate information with real sources. Every answer comes with citations. You can see exactly where the information comes from and verify it yourself. Who is for? Students, researchers, anyone who needs reliable information and doesn't want to just trust the AI blindly. If accuracy matters to you, Perplexity is the most honest tool on this list. And finally, Grok, made by xAI, Elon Musk's company, and integrated directly into X, formerly Twitter. What it's best at? Real-time information. Grok has access to what's happening on X right now, which means it can cover breaking news and current events faster than the others. Who is for? If you follow news, politics, or tech closely, and you want an AI that doesn't shy away from controversial topics, Grok is the most direct tool on this list. So which one should you actually choose? Here's an honest answer. It depends on where you already spend your time. In Google all day, start with Gemini, it's already there. In Microsoft, Copilot is already waiting for you. Student or researcher, Perplexity and Claude are your best friends. Just want to try AI for the first time? Start with ChatGPT. It's free, it's simple, and it works. And if you want to stay current on what's happening in the world, add Grok to the mix. You don't need all 6, you need the one that fits the way you already work. I've linked all 6 tools in the description. Every single one has a free trial to get started. If this was useful, subscribe. I make videos like this every week. Clear explanations, no fluff, no wasted time. And leave a comment. Which one are you going to try first? I generally read every reply. See you in the next one.